Well, again, everybody, welcome back to Hands On with BLG. I am BLG. I am lefty, and I am righty. Today, we're back in the Galley and Grill. We're back in BLG's Galley and Grill, baby, in the kitchen. Today, we're going to make extra crunchy onion rings. Extra crispy, nice onion rings. They're going to be so good. Let's get to it, shall we? Right here, we got a cutting board. It is called a board of cutting in medieval days. Hand me thou'st board of cutting, sire. I'm upside down righty. Yep. What I'm going to do is get my good knife. All my knives are good. I'm going to zap this onion. Right there. Zap this end off of him. Just like that right now. Just like that right now. I'll zap this in. Just want to get through the outer edge. I don't like mucking around too much. See if I can just rip his outside skin off like this. Get under here. Rip him off. What a rip off, man. Hey. I'm not ripping you folks off. These are really good. This is going to be worth it, folks. Stick with me here. Stick with me. It gets better. Hi, I'm Lefty. You saw that at the beginning of the video. I'm the cute one. Hit the like and thumbs up for me. Okay. We get this all out of the way. Nice and easy like this here. Just boot like that. Everything off of the board we don't want. Chuck it in here. Right? Garbage. Now, you're still with me, right? Yeah, you're still watching. Okay. Onion up on its side. We're going to go about 3/8 of an inch thick rings, okay? About 3/8 of an inch thick. Watch your fingers, folks. About this 3/8 of an inch thick. Like that. I'm not even going to bother with that one. We're going to leave it like it is. We're going to take the ones that are good like this. You see? Worthy of being onion ringy goodness. Like that. And maybe that size. The rest of this we don't want. Nah. Now these ones failed. So I'm just going to chuck those. I might get a small one out of here. Let's see if I can get one small one out of this one. Chuck that. We only want the good rings, folks. Only the good ones. We want to make them look nice and taste even better. There's a good one. That's a good one. See, these are all broken up. No good. Take these ones. That one's broken. Not going to use it. It's where I was cutting it. We'll use that one and that one. Throw those away. This one here, going to be some big motherfucker. That's fine. We'll take that one. We'll take that one for sure. We'll take that one. Ooh, I thought I could get this one. We'll take that one. The rest of this, crap. I don't want it. Get it out of here. We'll take these good ones, right, y'all? Looking for the best. You can keep working on them and do little chunks if you want. No big deal. I just want the good looking ones for today. All right, now we've got that taken care of. Rinse fingers off. Rinse fingers off! Now, we're going to set these over here. Right? Bring it in a bowl, right, chop? Bring it in a bowl. Bring it in the bowl. We will go on your rings. Bring it in the bowl. In the bowl. I'm just going to put some flour. I only got one onion. Just enough to put some flour. Just like that. I'm going to put in a little bit of cornstarch. No particular measurement. Little cornstarch in here. That's good. Like so. I am going to get instant mashed potato flakes, right? Flour, cornstarch, instant mashed potato flakes. Oh my God. We'll get rid of some of these. There we go. I mean, it doesn't matter at all, really, but instant mashed potato flakes. Okay. And some cayenne pepper. Just for flavor, optional. Cayenne pepper. I want to get them a little kick. But like so. Now what I'm going to do, we're going to start adding water to this. till it becomes kind of like a pancake batter. Nice, it goes over the counter too. We want to make a batter out of this. And the potato flakes are going to suck up some of the batter, or some of the water. So, you know, you just want to make a nice consistent pancakey batter. I'll see you when we get there. Hello folks, Righty again. We're back. We have our oil up to 350 degrees. We have a nice consistency on our batter, as you can see. And what I have here, in this pan here, this is panko breadcrumbs. Okay, just plain panko breadcrumbs. Okay, so what we're going to do, you kind of get the idea. Onion ring, our onion into the batter. Get them all coated up good. Shake off a little extra. And into the panko breadcrumbs. We'll chuck some of these up on here. Like so. Get a couple of them ready. There's one. Ready to go. Nice, okay. We'll get another big one here. We'll do the big ones first. Into the batter we go. Just like this. And wash, rinse, repeat. Same old stuff. And some breadcrumbs on this guy. You may need to reload your breadcrumbs too. Just kind of throwing them on here. They'll stick. There's two of them ready to go. Okay. And throw some breadcrumbs on him. Shallow pan. Shallow pan that's big enough to hold some onion ringage works very good for this. Very well. As you can see. One more big thick one. And the thin ones fry the same. A little bit in the batter. A little bit more for Santa Claus. It's a Cheech and Chong for you there. A little bit more for Santa Claus. The Christmas story. Alright. So, here we go. Now all I'm going to do, drop them in here. You can see in here, right? Yeah, 350 degrees. Leaving the basket down. We're just going to pop these little guys in here. Give it a shake after each one goes into the pool. Do a little shake. There, a little shake. A little shake for that guy. Shake it, baby, shake it. Just like that. We're going to let these go. Probably take them a couple minutes until they get a nice golden brown. And we'll take them out, put them over here on this. Just got a paper towel with a paper plate under it. You know, you can use the cooling rack over the cookie sheet too. It works a little better. But these will still come out crispy as hell. You'll see. Alrighty, first batch is ready to go. It's been about 2 minutes. Take them out, let them strain a little bit here. Onto our paper towel. I'm gonna dash them up with a little dash of salt, like this right, child. Little dash of salt. Like that. I'm working on the next batch here. And I'll fry these up real quick. Little batch, and we'll see you back here when I get them all fried up, and we'll see what if they're crunchy or not. Yeah. There you have it, folks. Crispy, crunchy onion rings, just like you like them. Are they crunchy? Have a listen at this. They're crunchy. They are good. Very good. The secret is the potato flakes. Believe it or not, in this one, potato flakes really do some really interesting texture. That's good. Crunchy goodness for bar snack. Dingoes can't eat onions. Dogs aren't supposed to eat onions. So, sorry, Dingo. Look, he's bummed out. I can't have onions. Oi, can't eat onions. They're bad for dogs. Yeah. So anyway, hope you liked the episode. Thanks for sticking around. Hit the little likes. Subscribe if you would. That'd be nice. And that's about it for this episode. 4 Hands On with BLG. For BLGI. I'm BLG. I am Lefty. I am Righty. Till next time, damn it, people, you know what to do. Peace out, just. Peace out. And make you some of these onion rings. They're good, man. Good on burgers. Good on pork tenderloins. They're just good on anything except ice cream. Don't put them on ice cream. No. Hands on with BLG.
You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around